So what's up everyone, my name is Himan and today in this video we are gonna learn how we can make this amazing type of website with the help of ChatGPT images, Gemini for video and Claude Code for the code of the website. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So for the design and inspiration of the website we'll be using Pinterest, and let's just search for a design here. I like this one, so let's click on it, copy it up. Okay, now head over to ChatGPT and let's just paste it up here and write the prompt, convert this image into landscape. And as we can see, it has converted this image into landscape for us, and let's just download it. Now head over to Google Gemini, drag and drop this image here and write this prompt. You can find this complete prompt in the description box below, so you need not worry about that. Animate this image into a subtle, ultra realistic cinematic loop while preserving the exact composition. And let's just go for video and send it up. And our video has been generated successfully for us by VO3. Let's just play it. This looks good, but there is one issue. We have a watermark at the right side of the video, so let's just download it and head over to this website, Gemini Watermark Remover. You can find the link to this website as well in the description box below. And let's just drag and drop our video here. Remove watermark. Now download it. Okay. Now we'll head over to VS Code, open up Claude Code and open our folder that we'll be working in. Let me just select mine. I'll create a new folder here and let me write the prompt. Now we are going to work in a new directory called the name of the directory, in which you need to put this video in the hero section of our website. And for getting the link to the video, we'll be going over to Cloudinary. This is the website we'll be using to host our video. Click on sign up for free and I'll sign up with my Google account and click on continue. Now click on upload and drag and drop the video in the assets folder. Once it has been successfully uploaded, let's just copy the URL to it, head over to VS Code and paste it up here. Now we'll go over to Pinterest again and search for hero section designs. And let me find a good hero section design for our current version. Okay, I like this design. Let's copy it up, head back to VS Code, and I've also attached an image. Disregard every graphic in the image and only take the inspiration of navbar, buttons and text. Use React or White or any node package that would be best fit for this website, and we don't want HTML. And you can find this whole prompt in the description box below. And let's just use Sonnet for this purpose. Click on bypass permissions and send it up. After that, Claude will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to cook this complete website for us, and it will run it as well. Let's click on this copy link and let's paste it here, and we can see our hero section has been completely made. and we can see everything is working fine here. And for the rest of the sections as well, we can head over to Pinterest and find inspiration and design and follow the steps for each and every section of the website and make it up one by one. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading more these kinds of videos in the future, and stay tuned for more videos about how we can make these animated websites using Claude Code.